Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I just want to thank you guys so much for, continuing to support me on this journey. I just wanted to give a quick disclaimer for this video because at the end of it you will kind of see like some just honest emotion from me. And I just want to let you guys know that I'm okay, and so there's no need to worry. But the reason that I left this video pretty much the way that it was recorded with minimal editing is because it was just how I was feeling at the moment, and I thought it would have been kind of dishonest to eliminate what I was feeling. And again, as I've kind of hinted on in other videos, a lot of this emotion that I'm having feeling is not necessarily related to my hair, in which I will talk about in another video, but I just want to let you guys know that, and I will also explain everything that happened in this video too in another video. So thank you guys so much for just rocking with me and just understanding me through all the ups and downs, and I hope you guys are continuing to do well during this time, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. So it's the next day. It's 5 in the morning, Friday, June 5th, and I've kind of had some time to sit with my hair. At this point, I am unsure what I want to do. I don't even know what's best to do right now. As you can see, I've twisted two of my locks together here to kind of see what it would look like. What two locks together would look like. It looks fine, but I kind of feel like, I don't know if it's because of the way I've been sleeping on it or whatever, but I feel like the two locks together kind of don't have as much bounce as the rest of my hair does, and so I'm not even really sure what my whole head would look like twisted together, and then I'm also not sure what that would look like in the long run. If I'm being honest, I'm tempted to just cut it off. I'm tempted to do that, but I don't think that's necessarily a good idea. Specifically because if I cut it, it will be super uneven because this part is, grown out, and then the back of my head is freshly retightened. So there's really no new growth. So if I wanted to have some hair in the back, I would have to comb them out, and that's not really a process that I'm trying to embark upon. Here's another one that I combined. I watched a video by Day's Locks, and she was talking about combining your locks and how you have to be careful which ones you combine, because if you combine two locks in the wrong direction, it could cause tension and it could hurt, especially when your whole head is done like that. So I'm also a little nervous about that, and I'm just not sure right now. And I know I said I would give myself some time to kind of sit with this, but I also kind of feel like I look kind of crazy. You know, I guess I could just leave it like this, but this doesn't really solve my initial problem, because at this point I still have the same amount of locks, they're just shorter. So yeah, y'all, I don't know what to do. And then say I did leave it like this, like what, like I'm 100% sure now that, well, not 100% sure, I can't tell the future, but I'm almost sure now that my hair is not gonna grow back evenly. Like, it always grew back with the back being the longest, but now because I just cut it like so all over the place, I think it's gonna be a minute before it looks like it has some kind of consistency. And y'all, I just don't know what to do right now. I don't. But yeah, again, there's bigger things going on in the world besides hair. I'm well aware of that. But you know, this channel is for documenting my sister lock journey and where I am in my life. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. And I guess if you have any suggestions, you know, you can leave them in the comment section below. So yeah, just to basically recap, I want to combine them, but I kind of feel like they won't look right. And I kind of want to cut them, but I can't do that because half of my hair is retightened, which would mean I would have to comb some out and it would be like uneven growth. I could just retighten the front and wait till it all grows out, I guess. I guess that's an option, but in the end that doesn't solve my initial problem of being overwhelmed. But I guess if I did some type of maintenance, maybe it would make me feel better, and then maybe I could have a clear mind. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. But yeah, if y'all have any suggestions, tell me what you think about this one lock. It looks a little lifeless, to be honest. One thing I do like about this though is I like the lightness. I love how light my hair is and how it just feels light. Like before, I felt like I said my hair was weighing me down, and now it just feels so much lighter, and it feels great. Like it just feels, the weight of it feels like how I want to feel. But I kind of don't know if I'm tripping or what's going on with me. So yeah, I haven't went out in public yet. I have to go to the store later, so maybe I'll record how I feel after that. But that is it as of now. Thank you guys so much for bearing with me and just sticking with me through everything. I really appreciate it. All your kind comments that you guys left on the video where I talked about ending my sister lock journey. It really meant a lot to me, and I don't know, I'm getting a little emotional because this has been hard. So thank you guys. that definitely didn't mean to like or plan on crying on camera, but these last several months have just been really hard. So I'm just thankful, you know, that you guys left kind comments. It really made me feel better. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.